Hello everyone and welcome to yet another vlog. I do hope that you had enjoyed our vlog yesterday when we traveled from Almora to Jim Corbett. So today we are here again in the heart of Jim Corbett in the village Sundarkal, the vlog of which I'd shown you the last time. We have associated ourselves with the family like you must have seen on our last vlog. So today we are here to meet them and to ensure that their daily supplies for the month is met. So let's head into the village and meet those folks real quick. So guys, we're moving into the village. Manu's carrying most of the ration. I'm holding the camera and some ration here. Panditji is carrying some of it. You must have seen this entrance into the village before. Oh my god, he's unable to balance. Pakru, aram se chal, huh? Matu mat. That's a real struggle walking into this village. Look at this. All thatched houses, no permanent roof. Aram se laga. All thanks to Manu for helping us take the supplies in. But this place is actually very beautiful. Let me give you a view of this place. Wow. These cattle are grazing in the night. This entire field and this village becomes a prowling area and the hunting area for the tigers and the leopards. So you're actually walking in the village where the tigers and the leopards movement is very frequent. Wow. Entering the village. These narrow paths that you see, ladies and gentlemen, they're used by the leopards in the night that come here very frequently for the livestock and the dogs in this area. That's the entry of the house. They used to have a cowshed here which caught fire and the entire thing was burned, the field that you see right ahead. This is the house here, right here. ठीक हो रहे आप? पहचाना? पहचाना? कौन छू मैं? पहचाना? आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ. पहले आए थे. Sorry guys, I'll be putting in subtitles since I may have to speak in the local language. तेरा आमा छू? बुबू कहाँ छू? चलो बुला तो बुबू को. यार भलेर साहब ठीक छू? तो राशन तुम्हारा महीने का है? तो चावल छू, आट, मसाले वगैरह वगैरह हैं, हैं? और ये हमारे मित्र छू पंडित जी, ये दही है, इनको पहले खा लेना. बेसन सूजी है ना? है? और कोई जरूरत? खुटात नहीं चलन, आँख नहीं चलन, फिर रोज हर चीज की जरूरत पड़ती रहती है. ओहो. पीने के लिए पानी ना वो. एक तो आमा की आँख भी कमजोर. लोटाला दो. क्या? आमा थोड़ी लोटाओ. ले जा. तो नाती छू? हाँ नाती छू. दो नाती छू. घाम तो खूब ही हो गया यार. जरूर के मम्मी पापा? मम्मी पापा इसका मंदिर है. मम्मी अभी एक जंगल से आ रही है. अच्छा अच्छा. यही पास में ही रहते हैं लोग भी ना. ओहो. सब कर दिया. यहाँ पे? हाँ यहाँ पे. हिरन या हाथी? हल चलाना आता तेरे को? है? हमारा आता हल भी है. उठा के देखा. उठा उठा. Manu is trying to pick up the plow. Ay shabash. एक काम कर, तू बैल बन, मैं पीछे से जोतता हूँ, ठीक है? आजा आजा। लाओ आमा, धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। Dude guys, they're making tea for us. This is the kitchen. एक सेकेंड है। तो चूल्हा छू बढ़िया। फिर ये बरसात में तो भर जाता होगा, पानी आ जाता होगा, है अम्मा? विनोद। क्या नाम छू तेरा? विनोद है? विनोद कुमार। और इसका क्या नाम है? संतोष कुमार। संतोष, शीतल, विनोद। विनोद विनोद तेरी तो नाक आ रही यार, पूछ उसको। नहीं आ रही। 50 साल। फिर तुम्हारी तो तीसरी पीढ़ी आ गई यहाँ। तुम्हारे बाजू आए होंगे यहाँ। तुम यहाँ पैतृक गाँव काचू भवानी खाल तो दिखता है यहाँ से। हाँ हाँ हाँ। विनोद क्या पढ़ता है? कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ते हो? एक। तू कौन सी कक्षा में पढ़ता है? तू 9 में है। शेर देखा? शेर कहाँ देखा?
जंगल में।
हाँ
जंगल में।
Alright guys, they're so happy to see us. The lady went right into the kitchen to make tea. We said no, but then she said you must have tea. So that's the gratitude that they show. And since we are one family now, so I'm definitely going to have tea with her. And the next time when I'm here with Neetu and the kid, we will probably have a one-time meal here. And it looks so beautiful from here. Right there behind those set of trees is the Kosi Valley. And this is supposed to be the buffer area, and then across the river, that's the core area of Corbett. And then across that road, the hill that you see, that's again the core area. So guys, if they have plowed this field and if there was some crop growing, then to protect the crop, this is the shed where they probably put the bed and guard it from the wild animal. There would be a lot of deer, wild hogs, etc. would be then grazing on the crops. So to protect the crops, they build this temporary shelter, as you must have seen in a lot of villages. Wow. So I have a beautiful home here in Sundarkhal now. Man, feels so amazing. So the tea, amazing. That's the gratitude. चलते हैं बूबू फिर। अच्छा आमा बैठो फिर। हाँ फिर आएंगे। बाल बच्चे लेके आऊंगा मैं, ठीक है? बैठो आप। अच्छा हाँ अच्छा आमा।
अच्छा विनोद भाई, अबे ऐसे नहीं करते, हाथ ऐसे करते हैं। हाँ भाई। भाई संतोष।
चलो। So guys, time to move back home. Met our family here in Sundarkal. Had a nice snack and tea. यहाँ से भी तो रास्ता है यार, यहाँ से यार शॉर्ट रास्ते। आओ। Right guys, so we are driving. We just left Sundarkal and we are on our way to Kyari. This is a drive that we wanted to take. So there is a beautiful temple here, right at the tree that you see here, the peepal tree. Dedicated to Lord Shiva. And there's the Puchariji, that this priest, he lives here. He sleeps here and he's encountered the tiger so much. He said that it keeps coming here, but there was never one instance that the tiger tried to threaten him. The elephants in this area, very, very peaceful. Very, very peaceful. This is beautiful.
आज ही रख लीजिए आप हमारी तरफ से। अब अंदर
And there are monkeys right here.
ये भगवान को अर्पण आप ये मान लीजिए, ठीक है ना?
Alright guys, we're moving out of Kiari. We did come back to Babaji to offer him some food items, but he wasn't there, so we're taking it along with us. But then we fed the monkeys with some fruits. There's so many of them. In case if you guys are thinking where we are driving right now, this is the Kiari road. So we are coming from the Kiari village. We're moving ahead towards Ramnagar, but we will not go to Ramnagar. We'll take a left on the Kaladungi route and go to our resort today where we are halting tonight, and that's in Belpadao. Another significant name if you read Jim Corbett. From Belpadao you can take a left and drive to Pawalgarh, and then from Pawalgarh on to Kotabag. They've started a safari from Pawalgarh as well, I guess. Please update me in case if you know about that particular safari zone that's recently opened up. Look at, what do you call that? Look at the twilight, guys. Yeah, of course, really fallen short of words. And right ahead, it's getting darker, so the trees and everything is silhouetted against the last light of the day as we approach our resort or homestay Garved in Belpadao. Road's a bit tricky. I don't know if we've already reached or not. Is this the one? I don't think so. Right. There we go. A left turn and we are in. Fantastic. Probably some party that is happening here.
देर का लड़ाई करें इसलिए।
ये लड़ गई थी लेपर्ड से?
हाँ लड़ा है।
कहाँ लगी इसके बेटा? ओहो,
यहाँ पर दादा दादा खेल कौन गया नहीं
मनु, हाँ एक सेकंड। ओहो,
यहाँ
अब यहाँ चाट भी नहीं सकती। इसमें दवाई लगाई फिर?
दवाई तो वो लगाया तो मोटर का तेल का वो
मट्टी तेल ना?
अब वो
कहाँ पकड़ा इसको?
खेत में
शाम को?
रात ये
धारी वाला था, बुट्टे वाला था?
देखा नहीं,
लेपर्ड था?
लड़ाई करते करते जब पीछे चल गया था तब मैं उचित है वो
अकेली थी?
भाई के लिए छोटा बच्चा है, फिर वो भी आया,
उसे छुटा दिया उसका।
फिर पता मैं बिहार गया तो हल्ला गुल्ला करा पर छूट गए।
ओहो,
बुबू, गर्दन